Hey YouTubers, I picked up a couple of neat things for our Honda EU7000Is. First thing I'm going to show you, bear in mind I'm holding this camera with one hand, I'll do my best. So I'm going to get rid of this. So we're going to get rid of that. And we're going to put what's called an oil fill tube in. This will make it nice and easy for you to pour your oil. Got to make sure it's threaded correctly, otherwise you'll have another problem, of course, as with any motor. So there you go. Let's take a nice little side profile view. So the beauty behind this is to make sure that you don't get any spills or drip. Just show you real quickly, you can actually go straight away. I would just recommend going pretty slow. See if I can get this on video here. I'm then going to be using this device. And this, of course, is where you will check your dipstick. So I'm going to get rid of the plastic one. The reason why I'm putting this one in here is that it's magnetic. So any metal filings that come off inside the block will be attracted to this. And the next time I do a change, or I can check it whenever I want, I can simply get those filings off there. And it's pretty straightforward. Just throw this guy in here, thread him in, and you're good to go. And if you're like me, you'll probably wind up keeping the old one and never use it again. So this plastic one, I'll probably just put away somewhere else. You do not forget to get this part. This is a 94109 12000. It's for a 12 millimeter crush washer. I would recommend not using the old one. Do get these. They're $10 for 10 or 12. Make sure you get a genuine Honda one that's got the Honda logo on there, like on this one here. Anyway, just a couple little tips. Don't need to show you the oil change part. Like I said, that's already online. Thanks and have a great day.